Today, we're letting our cats play and get some stress out with the help of our new L-shaped cat scratching board. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get set up quickly and allows your cats to have fun in no time. Open up the box and lay out all your parts to see what you have. Inside, you'll find your instructions, a little jingle ball, a mini screwdriver, and hardware, a baggie of the good stuff, your straight frame pieces, as well as your L-frame pieces. Comes with an angle scratching pad and your 2 flat scratching pads. Assembly is quick and painless. First, slide in the jingle ball into the slot of the angle scratch pad. Line up the L-frame pieces with the sides of the scratch pad. Then, grab your screwdriver and hardware. Push the hardware into the cardboard so it punctures and grips. Then use the screwdriver to tighten down the screws, holding the sides in place. Take your first flat piece and put it inside the frame. Line up your straight side pieces to match and then screw those in place. Repeat the steps for the other piece, and then your cat scratch pad is fully built. The tall end pushes up against the wall for some extra support. So we found a good spot in the house and sat it down. Before we even had the chance to put some catnip on it, our cats were already surrounding the scratch pad, checking it out. So we dumped the catnip on there, and they sniffed it up, and all of them zonked out, laying all over the scratch pad, just lounging. One of our cats loved it so much that she wouldn't share, so we had to move her away, but seconds later, she was back, rolling around on it again. We couldn't keep her away, so we let them do their thing and we watched. It wasn't long though until one of our cats came over and started scratching. Then, they found the jingle ball. It may seem like a simple ball on a simple track, but the cats love pushing it back and forth and back again. I'll be working in my office and hear the jingle of them playing. And every time, they're lounging on the scratch pad and having a blast playing with the ball. One of our cats will lay on her back and push it back and forth for quite some time. They lounged around on it and had some fun. Then later on, one of our cats went to town, scratching on the board, digging her claws in and really going hard on that wall scratch pad. It was just too cute. Although I catch them scratching on the pad quite a bit, I see them playing with the little ball and using the scratch pad as a bed even more. I didn't expect to see them sleeping on it, but none of them want to get off. I guess they understand the phrase, move your feet, lose your seat. But overall, our cats just love playing on the scratch pad. It helps them de-stress and gives them something fun to do when they're bored. And I guess they love to sleep on it too. So if you're looking for a nice cat bed, scratch post, and jingle ball track combo, this might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch my cats play with their new scratch pad. See ya!